Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we'll be doing some restock and sticker sheets for Valentine's Day. I've been busy with Patreon. For those who don't know, you can support me there and receive some goodies every month. I will also show you the new cards for the sticker club tier. Maybe I will make a video just about that in the future. So let's go to the video, shall we? This is the sticker sheet I made for Valentine's Day with a teddy bear, some strawberries and a cute chocolate. I have been using the Cricut for the last few years, but to tell you the truth, I'm thinking maybe switch to another machine. This one is giving me alignment issues sometimes and it's a bit frustrating. But for now it's the one I have and it's the one I'm going to use today. This is the cute mushy, say hi. I made this card specifically for the sticker club tier. If you join my Patreon you can receive stickers every month and other benefits. The links are all in the description below. Check them out if you are interested in joining this community. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for the support and don't forget to give a like, comment below and subscribe if you would like to see more videos of my journey. Stay safe. Bye!